Hi, I'm Kluhsman, and we're here at Kluhsman Racing Components. I'm an engineer by trade, and we make lots of different products for NASCAR and a lot of late model racers, all types of racing. I've been in business for 38 years, and we've served all different types of racing. We have over 7 patents. We're designing new stuff every day. And we've developed this ratchet. Over the last 10 years, we've been very successful with this product in racing. And now we know that we can do a lot more with this ratchet than we first thought.
Hi, I'm Rusty Mann. I'm a mechanic out here at TC Ag Services. And I'm a mechanic on small engines all the way up to combines like you see here behind me. So we started using the Cyclone ratchet by KRC Racing for a number of years now. And it's got multiple different uses on combines, and I'd like to take you through a couple of tensioner processes and everything that will really help you out, save you some time. The most common uses for the Cyclone ratchet that we've found is all your tensioners. Anybody who works on these combines know that all your feeder house and your thrasher, your tailing shaft, all of that, you know, whenever you go to take those loose, it takes a long time to ratchet wrench them things loose. Cyclone saves you a lot of time when you're changing out belts and resetting your tension on them. Make sure you break them loose first. All your tensioners, your jam nuts, break them loose first. They get rust on them, nicked up. You just never really know. Just saves a little bit of wear and tear on your ratchet. Your most common places on this series combine, 9500 combine, you're going to have your feeder house tensioner on the other side of the combine, your tailings, chain, tensioner, your cylinder gearbox tensioner. You also find use in your thrasher belt tensioner as well. So here today on the Cyclone ratchet, we got the 15/16, which most common on the 9500 series combine, then an 18 millimeter as well. But the Cyclone kit comes with many standard and metric size sockets. What makes the Cyclone ratchet as unique as it is, every ratchet goes in reverse. But the Cyclone has got a pass-through head design, which allows you on any tensioner design you got, no matter how long your threads, you can insert it through the head of it and run it all the way up to the nut, and it allows you to back it out as far as you need to. One good thing about the Cyclone ratchet, as everybody knows who works on these combines, if you was to adjust this with a ratchet wrench, you're going to be here for a long time adjusting this thing. Or you can just slip this on here, and it backs it right off. Change this to an 18 millimeter socket from the 15/16. Just snaps in there. And as you can see, tensioners like this, it works really good for getting into tight areas like that. Cyclone comes in a nice hard case, which you can just pick it up and throw it in your combine, your tractor, whatever you want to do. Or you can open it up and pull these 2 pins out of your hinges, and then you can have it just open like this to set in your toolbox drawer with easy access. So you got all your different pass-through sockets on standard from 7/8 all the way down to 5/16. And then you got 8 millimeter and 19 millimeter on your metrics. And then it also comes with this 15/16 24 millimeter socket too. They're all pass-through. And you just slip it in there and click it in, and you're good to go. Okay, using this Cyclone ratchet on anywhere from the 9500 series up through the S660 series to the S790 series is really handy on all tensioner systems. And personally, I know this ratchet is really handy on any project you got going in your shop.
KRC Cyclone Thru-Hole Ratchet is designed for close spaces and long adjustments on all type of agricultural equipment and automotive. In the field or in the shop, we know the Cyclone Thru-Hole Ratchet will save you time and money. For more, go to krcracing.com.